Welcome to this demo on creating a session-hosted desktop using Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.9. This feature is supported on Hyper-V and VMware vSphere environments. The main advantage of using a session-hosted desktop on a Red Hat Enterprise Linux server is that it allows multiple users to run individual desktop sessions on a single server. This setup simplifies management by reducing infrastructure needs, improves operational efficiency, and results in cost savings. Plus, it supports multi-monitor setups for both Windows and Mac clients. Let's dive into the demo. First, we'll start by adding a Cloud App Pool. Select Add Cloud App Pool and create a Hyper-V pool. Next, choose an RHEL Linux template, where you'll see the OS type is listed as Linux. Set the shared storage location, and then finalize the creation of the Hyper-V pool. Now let's wait for the Cloud App Pool server to reach a ready state. Once the server is ready, it's time to create the Cloud App. Go to Application, click Add Application, and select the RHEL Cloud App Pool we just created. Set the Cloud App type to Cloud App Session Hosted Desktop. Now name your application. Select the target platforms and assign the application to a bundle. Once that's done, click Add Application. To launch the session hosted desktop, open the Workspot client and click on the Cloud App icon. Authenticate into the desktop, and you'll see the RHEL session hosted desktop. This is your initial setup. To manage your session, go to Control where you can view connected sessions. Click on a session to see which user is connected to the RHEL server. If other users are connected, you'll see the total number of sessions in the Cloud App Pool. Keep in mind that some actions are disabled because they are not supported for Linux desktops. And that's it. You've successfully set up and launched a session-hosted desktop on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.9. Thank you for watching.